Exercise 42. The expression dx, where d is a constant, represents the result of increasing the quantity x by 35%. We have done that. We have solved this type of exercise so many times in the past. Whenever we increase a quantity by a percent, it's the same as multiplying the same quantity by 100 plus that percent. So, increasing x by 35% means multiplying x by 100 plus 35 over 100, which is 135 over 100, which is 1.35. So it's the same as 1.35 times x, which means that d is exactly that, 1,35.